Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone touchscreen issues. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone, and then so guys, open the lock screen, and then after this the next solution is remove any screen protector from your iPhone. So guys, if you are using any screen protector is damaged or scratchable, so remove your screen protector first, and then after this the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have the latest iOS version on my iPhone. So for after this, go back. So guys, after this the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings, and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So guys, simply reset, tap on reset all settings here, and then so guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.